Eggs are remarkably versatile, and mastering their preparation opens up a world of culinary creativity. Let's explore some unique techniques that elevate them beyond simple breakfast staples. First up, let's change gears and delve into the art of making a flavorful omelet. Start with fresh eggs, whisk them until the yolks and whites are fully combined, then pour the mixture into a heated, oiled skillet, waiting for the edges to firm up before gently folding over your favorite fillings. You can include cheese, herbs, or vegetables to create a deliciously personalized meal, making breakfast not just a routine, but an experience. Next, let's move on to frittatas, which are perfect for using up leftover ingredients. Whisk together your eggs, then pour them into a skillet filled with sautéed vegetables, and cook on low heat until the edges start to set. Transfer it to the oven to finish cooking, and you'll have a delightful, sliceable dish that showcases the flavors of your favorite ingredients. Frittatas are not only simple to prepare but also a fantastic way to enjoy eggs in a new format. Now, let's explore the technique of making the ideal soft-boiled egg. Start by bringing a pot of water to a rapid boil, then gently lower the room temperature egg into the boiling water. Cook it for exactly 6 minutes for that luscious, runny yolk, and feel free to adjust the timing for your desired doneness. After cooking, plunge the egg into an ice bath for a few minutes, which will make peeling much easier. Enjoy your soft-boiled egg atop toast or in a salad, and savor the creamy texture it brings to your meal. As we continue to master the art of eggs, let's not overlook the classic egg salad. Hard-boil your eggs perfectly by boiling them for 9 to 12 minutes, depending on size. After boiling, cool them quickly in ice water, then peel and chop them into small pieces. In a mixing bowl, combine your chopped eggs with mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper, adjusting seasonings to your taste. This creamy and flavorful dish makes for an excellent sandwich filling or delightful dip served with crackers. Enjoy the simplicity of this beloved recipe, perfect for picnics or packed lunches. Next, let's uncover the secrets to making a delicious quiche, which turns simple eggs into a savory delight. Begin by preheating your oven and preparing a pie crust, either homemade or store-bought. Whisk together eggs, cream, and your desired seasonings in a bowl. Add in sautéed vegetables, meats, or cheeses of your choice, then pour the mixture into the prepared crust. Bake until the filling is set and slightly golden, creating a versatile dish that's perfect for brunch or a weeknight dinner. Quiche can be enjoyed warm or cold, making it a fantastic option for any occasion. Combining the versatility of eggs with delightful ingredients creates even more possibilities. Next, let's focus on poaching eggs, a skill that can transform a simple dish into something truly elegant. Begin by bringing a pot of water to a gentle simmer and adding a splash of vinegar. This helps the egg whites to coagulate neatly. Crack an egg into a small bowl before gently sliding it into the water, allowing it to poach for about 3 to 4 minutes. The result will be a perfectly tender, silken egg that elevates salads, toast, or pasta dishes. Embracing this technique will impress family and friends alike. Want to spice things up? Try adding herbs and spices to your eggs while cooking. Fresh chives, dill, or smoked paprika can really enhance the flavor profile and give your dish an exciting twist. By experimenting with these cooking techniques and flavors, you can truly elevate your culinary skills. Enjoy the process of mastering eggs and let your creativity shine as you create delicious meals that bring joy to your table. Happy cooking, and may your kitchen adventures be filled with excellent discoveries.